Hi beauties, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a little fall reset, considering I had COVID recently, so I was down for the count for like 2 weeks. And unfortunately, the first morning that I woke up feeling better from being sick, Hurricane Helene had struck Western North Carolina and the surrounding areas. A lot of people have had their homes, loved ones, animals, pets, everything just washed away by the floods. We were fortunate enough to only have a tree fall on our house, garage, and car, but a lot of people lost things that can't be replaced. If you'd like to help or donate, I'm going to be leaving some links in the description of this video where you can donate or help. A lot of people still don't have power or water or access to food or supplies, so donations right now are very much so needed. I'm not gonna lie, trying to get back into the swing of things after everything that's happened the past few weeks hasn't been easy. So today's vlog is just one step in the right direction. It's just one day of me trying to get everything back together, trying to get our house clean, the sheets clean, laundry done, everything just put back together so that I can start fall off fresh. So as I start off any day, I start by putting in my contacts and brushing my teeth. And of course, the camera was playing games with me right now. It was constantly in between focusing and not focusing, but what's new? And of course, the Laneige lip mask is always my favorite to start the day off with and in the night with. It's honestly just my favorite lip product right now. And now it's time to get started with the day and head downstairs. And of course, I have to have my little shadow behind me. She literally just follows me everywhere and it's the cutest thing. Honestly, she's like been the light of my life since we got her. If you've seen any of my other vlogs, you know I always open almost every single window in our house, and I've been starting my mornings off with ginger turmeric peach tea. I like the little bit of peach because it kind of gives it a little bit of a fun flavor, not just a healthy flavor. And of course, since this is a fall vlog, I had to have my cute little pumpkin mug. Since I'm trying to play catch up after being sick, I'm starting off by planning and just getting real deep in my planner and going through every single to-do list and trying to just see what I can do day by day. When you're trying to catch up on a lot of work, it can be overwhelming to try to put that pressure on yourself to do it all in one day. So I'm really trying to just divide up my days and just take it one day at a time. And of course, for a fall reset, we have to have a reset shower and self-care routine. I'm just going to be doing a pretty basic routine here. I'm going to start off with this rice toner from I'm From. You can find it on Amazon. I think it's really hydrating and I love it. I've mentioned it in some of my other videos. For face lotion, I've just been using Pond's since this is just a very basic face lotion you can find at Walmart because I'm trying to prepare my skin to start tretinoin. And with tretinoin, you really want to keep your products basic so that you're not overwhelming your skin. And of course, gotta have the Supergoop sunscreen. I'm never gonna not use that. I've been keeping my hair super basic recently. I'll just style my bangs and then let the rest of my hair air dry because my hair does dry kind of wavy and it does look pretty once it's completely dry. But I usually just want to get those bangs styled because that's like the most important part, I feel. So I'm just scrunching out some of the water so it'll dry quicker here. It's not exactly a bougie hairstyle, but I'm literally not leaving the house today. I'm just going to be catching up on some house chores, so not a big deal. So since it's finally fall, I wanted to have a perfume that had a very nostalgic fall scent from when I was in high school. And I used to wear Taylor Swift's Wonderstruck in high school, and this Lost in Ink by Okja smells exactly like Taylor Swift's Wonderstruck, which by the way is no longer sold. So if that scent is also very nostalgic to you and it reminds you of fall or whatever season of life you wore it in, I'm going to be leaving that in the description below as well. Now it's time for the deep cleaning part of the vlog to kind of really reset for fall. After being sick, I want to get all of my bedding clean, all of our laundry done, all of the surfaces wiped, so this is just going to be a really satisfying cleaning video. Now we're moving on to the bathroom, so I'm just going to do a cleaning of the mirrors, the sinks, and all the little things that are around it. And next up, we're going to be deep cleaning the toilets as well. I hope that seeing this fast motion cleaning is inspirational or at least satisfying for you. And next up, it's time to vacuum the entire house because it's been a minute since this has been done, so this was extremely satisfying. I also have this huge begonia that drops its leaves and petals and stuff like every day, so I'm always picking up petals. I noticed that one of our plants was growing down to the floor, so I went ahead and took a cutting of it, and I'm going to propagate it and replant it. As a lot of you may already know, we recently rescued a kitten named Ellie, and she does have ringworm, so the vet told us to just wash her with this antifungal soap once a week. So this is her little bath, and the reason I'm getting her ears so much like that is because it's specifically inside the ear. So I made sure to check with the vet that, you know, I wasn't going to be hurting her ears by cleaning them like that, and he encouraged me to clean them like that. So just letting you guys know. But she definitely didn't like this bath, and I feel so bad giving her a bath once a week, but it's only for a month, so she's just a perfect little angel. And of course, would it be a kitten bath without at least one scratch? And now that I've switched over the last load of laundry, I'm just going to finish off the night by catching up on some YouTube editing. Thank you guys so much for joining me on my fall reset vlog. If you haven't already, please go to my description box and look at those donation links if you are able to donate. And if you are close to the Western North Carolina area, I really would like to encourage you to consider adopting an animal from the shelters. Shelters are extremely overwhelmed right now, and animals have been abandoned, and there are so many animals that need homes right now. Not only would you be helping an animal, but having Ellie has been the best thing in my life recently, so I really don't think you would regret it. And with that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.